Hi everyone, so today I'm going to walk you through how to go about the Drone Cadet simulation application you downloaded. So once you're done downloading the 209 MB worth of data simulation for your Windows computer, you go try to extract the application. So in the application folder, you get to see Drone Cadet like this. When you double click on this, it shows you the environment, which is Unity 3D. So just wait for a second, then you get to see the Drone Cadet environment pops up like this. And yeah, so the first thing is more like you get to see the old, or not really say the old, but safety first, right? So you get to be conversant with the safety for drones. Learn to understand that when you fly drones, you need to have safety as the ultimate priority. So you need to learn this before you go out to fly your drones. The next is you click on the drone race. You see we have space and we have indoor. So we're going to work with the indoor drone at the moment. You can click on this, double click. So it's going to show us an environment. Here we have this drone. You can use your arrow button to the left. You get to see educational drones. So we're going to use educational drones at this point. Select, click on it. Now, the first thing you need to know when it comes to drone flight is to know how to take off and land. So we are not using a joystick at the moment, we are using the keyboard. So for us to take off, we need to use the I on your keyboard. Then for us to land, we need to use the K. So that will use to land. So I'm going to take off again with I. Okay, fine. So the next thing we need to learn after learning how to take off and land is to learn how to yaw to the left and yaw to the right. So we use J to yaw, then use dash to the left, then use L to yaw to the right. Once you're done learning how to yaw, the next thing is to learn is how to use the other joystick of your remote control, which is to pitch forward and to pitch backward. Then lastly, to roll and to roll to the left and to roll to the right. So I want to pitch forward. I'm going to use the W. Alright, so I just pitch forward. So the next thing is, how can I go about pitching backward? I'm going to press S. Alright, so let's pitch forward with W, then pitch backward with S. Then the next thing is, how can you roll? Roll more like you're moving sideways. So we use A to roll to the left, then we use D to roll to the right. So in summary, we have I to take off, we have K to land, we have J to turn around, which is yaw to the left, and we have L to turn around, which is yaw to the right. Then we have A as to roll to the left, then we have D as roll to the right, then we have W to pitch forward, then we have S to pitch backward. So it's time to land. Alright, so let's land. Drone landing, 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 drone landing. Thank you for watching, and so let's get started.